HiCAD Steel Engineering Solution Automatic Workshop Drawings. The HiCAD Steel Engineering Solution enables the planning of complex constructions, from the creation of the design plans to the generation of the production documents. We will show you the process for generating the production documents with our professional steel engineering module. First, an itemization of the parts and assemblies in the drawing must be carried out. The item number assignment can be configured individually. During itemization, a geometrical identical part search takes place, and identical parts with the same item number are combined. As soon as the automatic itemization has been carried out, the bills of materials can be evaluated in Excel format. For this purpose, we have configured various templates, such as the structure list, list of sawn beams, sheet metal parts with image, bolt list, shipping list, bar list, and many more. Furthermore, after itemization, the workshop drawing can be automatically created at the push of a button. Here, we have preset the extensive configuration options for an optimized workshop drawing creation. Dimension views and sectional views are automatically created from assembly drawings, and the bill of materials is also output. Even more complex assembly drawings can be created with all desired views, including dimensioning and bill of materials.